Alright, today we had a very successful day. We got our intake prototype mounted to our upper arm. It sits out right about here and takes the cubes and it'll pull back and lift all the way up to the scoring position. The next step is to mount these dart actuators. We'll have one on either side. Right about here. Once we get those mounted, we'll have full motion. It'll take the 12-inch stroke of the dart actuator to a 7-foot stroke on the end of our arm.
Alright, and so for the wrist, we're going to use an anti-mark red line with a Vex 25-to-1 gearbox to make a twist up and down to give us that full range of motion. We've also got our motors on bungees, so when we go to suck anything up, doesn't matter how it comes in, it'll always wrap around it and just bring it in.
Hey everyone, this is Patrick. I've been putting together the CAD model over the last couple of days of our robot, and I'm here to kind of go over it with you and show you what we've got so far. So from this picture you can see the mostly completed robot with the arm actuated in the upright position. The arm is controlled with a couple linear actuators from AndyMark. You can see how they're mounted here. They pivot at the bottom and they're connected with rod ends at the top. The box in the upright position is, as you can see from the picture, about 6 feet off the ground, so it should be easy to place on the scale, even in the highest position from the scale. So that shouldn't be an issue for us, but it's flexible if we need it to be. This image is in response to Dan from a YouTube comment on our first day one update. Shout out to Dan. He asked a question about the frame perimeter rules and how far you can extend over the perimeter. This is showing if your bot is 33 inches long, which is the max, you can extend 16 inches beyond that, which we are just barely in. We're about 1/4 of an inch in, so it can be done. Just measure twice and cut once kind of thing. And this is just an image to show how the box is procured by our box intake system.